I'm about to show y'all how my daddy made this breakfast casserole, but first I want to show you something else. Daddy's out here putting a chain on this trampoline. There's a reason we call it an Alabama bird. We're going to get some strong weather today. I took in all the hanging plants and ferns and everything from out here because we're supposed to be getting like 70-mile-an-hour winds. And that thing will fly away in a heartbeat, especially after a storm like what's coming. We got our chairs put down and we brought the porch goose inside. That's her Easter dress. I've been meaning to show it to y'all. Daddy's gonna show us how he makes my favorite breakfast casserole. So I'm gonna film it so we'll all know. He said he owns copyright. He's starting off by making biscuits the way you normally would, with some self-rising flour and some whole buttermilk and some Crisco, and he used Crisco to grease this 9x13.
Like Mama do it.
A lot of times people ask me if I learned to make biscuits this way from Brenda Gant, and I've always told you I've learned from my parents, but my mama and my daddy make them just like that. How'd you learn to do it, Daddy?
Between Mama and Darlene.
We've been doing it this way since 1800s.
Mm-hmm.
Now he's not making them like we would normally do for biscuits in a cast iron because he's going to cover the bottom and make a crust for the casserole. So it's going to go up the sides a little bit with it because all the ingredients is going to go on the inside, and he's going to cover it a little bit too.
Mm-hmm.
Mike Nicholas, are you watching this so you'll know how to make it? He always wanted me to make one and bring it to work back when we worked together. Now you're taking Tennessee Pride hot sausage. Just putting little bite-sized pieces all around in the crust. Did you come up with this recipe?
Yeah, I did.
It sure is a good one.
Tennessee Pride.
Now you're going to get 12 eggs and put them in a bowl and scramble them up. Salt and pepper in the eggs. Just pour in your eggs in the sausage. Look what we found in the pool. Hannah found him. Mom and Daddy's going to take them back to the lake when they go. Now you're going to want to use either fresh tomatoes or home canned tomatoes, because what's in the tin cans from the grocery store is not the same. You don't want to use those for this, or like tomato gravy if you can help it. Mama's going to show me this summer how to put them up myself, because I usually just get mine from her, but I need to be doing that myself. Crushed red pepper. Now if you don't want it quite as spicy, you can use regular sausage and leave off the crushed red pepper, but it's good this way. Put a little bit of black pepper on there too. And he had put salt and pepper in the eggs when he was scrambling those up.
We're gonna find like a U-shaped rock and some grass for him.
Alright. Find him a bug to eat. Mr. Linda's pushing his luck sitting on the back of that chair. He knows he's not allowed on the countertop.
Alrighty.
Now it's completely covered with biscuit dough. Then you're going to top it off with bacon. What temp does it cook on, Daddy?
About 450 depending on your oven.
And how long?
About an hour. You don't want to rush it, so you may have to go down to 425. I always check it about halfway through an hour, 30 minutes to make sure it's not overcooking. You'll smell it if it is.
She's been in here admiring the frame TV, so she's shopping on my storefront so she can get her one. That's what it looks like. It literally looks like a picture on the wall. Y'all had lots of questions about it the other day, but this is the wall. It's only like an inch thick. Let's see if I can get under there. That's the TV. And that picture changes all the time. The reason I didn't buy a frame, because when you get the frame TV, you can buy frames to go on it to make it look even more like a picture. But I didn't buy a frame because the other picture in my room looks just like it with that thin black frame around it. So I wanted to leave mine without a frame. For an early Easter Father's Day gift.
I reckon.
Easter Father's Day.
I got one on my countertop, and Daddy liked it so much that I got him one too for his new house. He's so excited. It is so pretty, and it's going to match good in their new kitchen. So it's got that can, it kind of magnets in there so it don't go nowhere. And then it's got a glass pitcher that can go there.
This one, Bill.
It fits perfectly up in the groove of
This
it.
goes on it though.
Oh, that's the lid for the pitcher.
But it's a filter. It filters through this again.
So this thing already filters water before it ever even comes out. But this is another filter that goes on the glass pitcher. So it's filtered a third time through there, from my understanding. It's out of the oven. It's looking so good. One thing we forgot to do is put shredded cheese. You normally would want to do that as the last step right before you put that top layer of biscuits on. That's what the inside looks like. Well, I know that video was a little all over the place, but that was so good. Even without the cheese, because we forgot it, it was so, so good. So y'all try that. I am fixing to go ahead and get in the shower, so I came back here because it's loud in there. We're watching a movie. But I'm going to go ahead and get in the shower and get out of the way because I'm going to let Mom and Daddy sleep in my bed tonight. If we stay here, we're still trying to decide. We're going to keep an eye on James Spann, the weatherman, and figure out if we're going to stay here or go to my sister's lake place. She has a basement, so we're trying to figure out if we're going to stay here and risk it or if we're going to go to her house. But everybody stay safe in these storms tonight, and I love you. Stay classy.